Welcome, customer. Thank you. Do you have tomatoes, apples, and mangoes? Yes. Yes, they are. How much does a kilo of each cost item? You can ask the price of something by saying how much does this cost? How much does shoes cost? How much does a kilo of beans cost? You can add, hello dear viewer, how are you? I hope you are good. So I welcome you to Language Booster TV, a YouTube channel which helps you to learn free languages. Tugiye ku isoko turebe imvugo amagambo yabugenewe wamenya igihe uri kwiga wagiye guhaha ku isoko. Igihe wagiye guhaha ku isoko. So nguhaye ikaze rero ku muyoboro wacu. Buying and selling. For example, you will learn how to ask the cost or price of something. You will learn how to ask for discount. You will learn to ask for changes. I encourage you to watch this video until the end. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment where necessary. You have also to visit our post tab and learn through tests. So, hello dear viewer, how are you? I hope you are good. So I welcome you to Language Booster TV, a YouTube channel which helps you to learn free languages. Number 1, Kinyarwanda. Number 2, English. Number 3, Kiswahili. All these languages are taught through this channel. If it is your first time to reach to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more learning videos. If you have subscribed, I really thank you for your contribution. If you have subscribed, I also encourage you to like our videos, share them, comment about them, and visit our post tab so that you can test your English through quizzes. Yes, without taking much time, we are going to learn English as usual. If you want to speak English as fast as possible, there's some advice I would like to advise you. You have to learn English in its real context. Go there where English it is used. Try to interact with the English native speakers or other English partners. So in this case, I would like to start the serial program which will help you to learn English in its real context. I mean in English where it is really used. The context, I mean, it is where we need to use English in our daily life. That's why we are going to start a serial program wherever we will learn English expressions, English vocabularies, but in its real context. So, today's lesson, we are going to begin with part 1, at the market. At the market, we are going to see vocabularies, expressions that are used at the market. English vocabularies, English expression at the market. This is part 1. I encourage you to follow the part 2 and then other parts that will be uploaded here. Ndagushuje mukunzi umuyoboro wa YouTube channel, uri amahoro? Ndatekereza umeze neza. Gahunda rero ni umuyoboro wa YouTube channel Language Booster TV ukwigisha indimi eshatu: Ikinyarwanda, Icyongereza ndetse n'Igiswahili. Izi ndimi zombi zigishwa kuri uyu muyoboro, kandi ndagushimiye niba waramaze gukora subscribe. Niba utarakora subscribe kandi ndagushishikariza gukora subscribe kugira ngo ujye ubona video zikuyemo inyigisho kuri izi ndimi zitandukanye nkubwiye. Ikindi kandi niba warakoze subscribe ndagushishikariza gukunda video zacu, ukora like, uzisangiza abandi, ukora share, cyangwa ugatanga igitekerezo wandika muri comment. Ku rundi ruhande kandi ndagushishikariza gusura igice cyahariwe post, ukanda ku kafoto karanga iyi channel yacu, ugana ahanditse post, aho uzasanga ibizamini bitandukanye bigufasha kwihugura no kwisuzuma mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Isuzume kandi unige binyuze muri ibyo bizamini. Nyuma yo gusubiza, hasi haza igisubizo cy'ukuri n'ubusobanuro bwacyo, bityo rero wabasha kuhigira. Tudatinze tugiye kwiga icyongereza nk'uko bisanzwe. Niba ushaka kuvuga icyongereza mu gihe kidatinze, ukashaka kuvuga icyongereza vuba, hari inama nkugira. Ndakugira inama yo kwiga gukoresha icyongereza hahandi gikoreshwa muri bya bindi tubamo mu buzima busanzwe. Mbese mu by'ukuri ntabwo ari ngombwa kwiga ijambo runaka rimwe rukumbi riri ukwaryo ngo risobanure uku, ahubwo ukwiye kwiga gukoresha icyongereza hahandi gikenewe, hahandi tugikoresha. Niyo mpamvu tugiye gutangira uruhererekane rw'ibiganiro uzigiramo amasomo atandukanye ariko agufasha gukoresha icyongereza ahantu hatandukanye gikenerwa gukoreshwa. Niyo mpamvu igice cya mbere tugiye kujya ku isoko. Tugiye ku isoko turebe imvugo, amagambo yabugenewe wamenya igihe uri kwiga, wagiye guhaha ku isoko, igihe wagiye guhaha ku isoko. So nguhaye ikaze rero ku muyoboro wacu. Dear viewer, if you want to speak English faster, you have to learn in studio context where it is actually or used. That's why we get videos containing English in a different context. Today's video contains conversation held at the market. You will have a chance to learn various expressions used related to buying and selling. For example, you will learn how to ask the cost or price of something. You will learn how to ask for discount. You will learn to ask for changes. I encourage you to watch this video until the end. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment where necessary. You have also to visit our post tab and learn through tests. So, without taking much time, let us start. Welcome, customer. Thank you. Do you have tomatoes, apples, and mangoes? Yes. Yes, they are. How much does a kilo of each cost? A kilo of tomatoes cost $2. Mangoes $4 and apples $7. Oh, why are apples expensive? Oh, we import them from Tanzania. The cost is less by customs charges. Would you discount real money? I will buy men. No matter. Okay, give me 6 kilograms of tomatoes and 5 kilograms of apples. How much will I pay as sum? You will pay $42. Thank you. Please, changes. Take it. And thank you. Thank you. I have liked your service. You are welcome back next time. Bye-bye. See you again. See you too. So in this conversation, you have learned how to ask the price, how to know the price of item. You can say, You can ask the price of something by saying how much does this cost? How much does shoes cost? How much does a kilo of beans cost? You can add the name of the price after how much does. Then we end by the verb cost. On the other side, you can ask, you can show that something is you are satisfied by the price, or you are not satisfied by the price of a good. You can say, why are these expensive? The opposite of expensive is cheap. If it is the item is not expensive, it is cheap. So you can also ask for discount by using this expression. Would you discount? Would you discount real money? Would you discount real money? For English, for Kinyarwanda speaker, you can read the words in dark blue. Yes, they can help you to learn English as fast. So, you can ask the sum of the money to pay by saying how much will I pay as a sum? How much will I pay as a sum? On the other side, you can say you will pay for $2. You can ask for changes. I mean that if you pay a lot of money related compared to the real price, real sum of money to pay, you need the changes. To ask changes, you can say, please changes. Please give me changes. Yes. Bro, good. So I hope through this conversation you have learned how to ask price, how to ask for discount, and how to ask for changes. I hope you can apply this lesson in your real life. If you go in shop, if you go at the market, you can use the expressions to buy and sell your goods. Thank you very much. Ndatekereza muri iki kiganiro mwakurikiye uburyo umuntu yahaha, yajya ku isoko agahaha, akabaza ibiciro, akabaza agakatuza, ndetse akabaza aya mafaranga yakwishyura, ndetse akaba yanakwaka, yanasaba ko bamugarurira. Ngira ngo mwagiye mubisoma hasi uko ikiganiro cyagiye kigenda. Niba ushaka guha umuntu ikaze, ati kaze mukiriya, muri kubibona uko ikiganiro kijya mbere, uragenda usoma hasi, ndatekereza ko uri bwigiremo uburyo nawe wahaha. Nshuti yanjye, urashaka kwiga icyongereza ariko ukeneye no kumenya uburyo gikoreshwa, aho gikoreshwa. Niba ugiye guhaha, mu by'ukuri ushobora guhaha mu cyongereza wisanze mu isoko ry'abantu bakoresha icyongereza, wamenya guhaha paka utashe. Great. Rero iyi video yari igambiriye kukwigisha guhaha mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Ndatekereza ko hatabuze icyo wigiyemo, kandi ndagusaba ngo ushyire mu bikorwa icyo wize icyo cyo cyose, utangire igikoreshe none. Niko icyongereza kiyigwa. You cannot learn English without using it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I would like to encourage you to subscribe if you have not done it. If you did, like, share, and comment about this video. Which area of improvement? What can we change? Is it helpful? If it is, tell me in comment. Thank you very much, dear viewer. So let us meet next time in part 2. English in the context. I hope this program will be very helpful. So I encourage you to stay in touch. Thank you very much. See you again. See you next time. Yo. Eh,